It is September 27th, 2019. Grout of the bottom was clean, but then I had to add more grout into like some seams and little places where I missed it, so it has to get a re-cleaning again. Also interesting, the black tiles from plates, like dinner plates, cleans perfectly. Getting the blue tiles clean is a challenge. I have been unable to, all my old dental tools from Columbia, Missouri, and the lino cutting, wood cutting tool also, as well as a metal bristle. I was using a smaller one than this, like in a power drill. Anyway, right now I'm grouting the, so that's the bottom. Top yet to be done. I'm grouting the left side here. Give a quick view, which I do with kind of mat board squares or rectangular pieces cut up. My finger, index finger, more often than that, which we'll see in a second here. It's kind of hard to get it in all the crevices. So switch to the old fingers, index, middle finger. Voila! It's high fiber grout, by the way. Okay, the only problem with doing this is that it frequently the gloves cut. Well, I have a thinner pair of what is it? Powder-free latex glove underneath the blue one here. I have to go buy some more gloves. Anyway, let's see how this does. I'm going to let it set for just a few minutes, maybe a half hour. I'm going to go over it with, try to remove as much as I can from the surface without pulling it out of the crevices, but using paper towels. Let it dry overnight. Yeah, I taped all the borders. Let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll go over it with the dental tools and power drills for over several hours worth of work there. So we'll see how this turns out here. I decided to only use white grout in the black areas, like or blue as the case were in the lower left there. All the rest I'm using this kind of like Mississippi mud earth color, they call it, because I wanted it to kind of emulate how it looks, with the lighter tiles, especially, for example, on the top here. Anyway, this is what it's all about. It's messy, time-consuming, and especially with the dental tool work and the power drill and all that, kind of painstaking labor. All for the love of art making and remembrance of human rights atrocity victims. Okay, just a little bit more because I only taped up to there and there. This will give viewers an idea of how this is done. Okay, almost got this section done here. King Classic FM radio on the radio there, 98.1. It's that Saturday, Sunday aired the show I don't blank on what it's called. It's a British, English sounding fellow from some station in Oregon. Does music from and of the movies. Alright. Okay, that's it for that. Again, I'm going to let it set for about a half hour or so. And then I'm going to try to remove as much of the surface as I can with paper towels. Alright. Esto es todo por ahora. That's it for now. Adios. Goodbye. Cheers.